Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we will be taking a look at an altcoin, Monero, currently trading for $146. We're deep in the bear market. Altcoins are down really bad. What is Monero's pathway to a new all-time high? We saw Monero barely set an all-time high in 2021. We barely took out the 2018 all-time high. How high can Monero go by the end of the next bull run? We'll be taking a look at Monero's price history for when it was launched in June 2014. We'll also be looking at Monero's performance against Bitcoin over the years, Monero's performance against Ethereum over the years, and we'll also take a look at Monero's market cap. Currently, it has a market cap of $2.6 billion. The market cap for Monero set a new all-time high in May 2021 when the market cap went to as high as $8.9 billion. How long will it take us to get to a new all-time high for Monero's market cap, and how high can Monero's market cap go in the next bull run? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we're deep in the crypto bear market. All coins are down really bad. We have all coins down 90%, 80%, 89%. The crypto market has been brutalized by 2022. 2022 has been down only for a lot of altcoins in the market. Monero is up 2.7% in the last 1 week. In the last 1 month, it's just down 1%. But the big one is that Monero is down 44% in the last 1 year. This is the Monero US dollar price chart from when Monero was launched in 2014. After it was launched, we saw Monero dump really low, losing more than 96% of its value, like a lot of tokens do after their launch. But then came the greatest bull run we have seen in Monero's price history, because from the depth of the 2015 bear market, Monero went from as low as $0.23 to as high as $489 by 2017. Crazy pump in Monero in just 1,064 days. If you had invested $1,000 in Monero right here, guys, you would have returned over $2 million by the end of the 2017 bull run. That's how altcoins can pump to the moon when the market is pumping, but the bear market is always brutal to these altcoins. This is Monero's second bear market. So we've seen Monero go through 2 bull markets and 2 bear markets. The first bull market, it went up over 209,000%, which means $1,000 invested in Monero in February 2015 would have returned over $2 million by January 2018. But the flip side to all those pumps is that when the bear market came around in 2018 and 2019, we saw Monero go from as high as $489 to as low as $28. Monero lost more than 94.23% of its value in the bear market, which is normal for all coins. We have seen Monero do it already when it was launched. It lost 95% of its value and it returned over 200,000%. So when Monero was down 94% in the previous bear market, a lot of people bought some Monero expecting it to go to new all-time highs. But when Monero started pumping from March 2020, we couldn't break significantly into new all-time highs. We just barely got above the 2018 all-time high. We saw Monero get to as high as $500 on some exchanges, which meant Monero went up over 1,600%. That's not crazy returns, but guys, even if you had invested $1,000 in Monero by March 2020, by May 2021, your $1,000 would have returned over $16,000. In just 400 days, Monero recovered all the losses we had in the bear market of 2018, 2019, and partially in 2020. Right now, Monero is in its third bear market. We have seen it go through the ending phases of this bear market. It went through the complete bear market of 2018, 2019. Right now, Monero is going through the 2021, 2022 bear market. And we have seen Monero going from as high as over $500 to as low as $98, dropping more than 80.84% of its value against the US dollar in the bear market. How high can Monero go by the next bull run? Where are we going to face some significant resistance? Important levels you want to watch out for Monero in this bear market. You want to watch out for what Monero will be doing around this $98 region where we found our bottom in this bear market. If you take a look at what Monero has been doing anytime we get to that $98 region, Monero has actually been bouncing or dumping really well. When we were pumping to new all-time highs in 2017, we flew above the $100 region, but we had to come back to consolidate around that region before we finally went to set new all-time highs. We saw Monero pump quickly from as low as $81 in October 2017 to as high as $489 by January 2018. In 70 days, Monero went up 500%. The next time Monero came to that region again was when we were about to dump to Goblin Town by August 2018. When Monero couldn't hold this $98 region, we dumped to Goblin Town, and it took us more than a year. We got back there in June 2019, the end of that relief rally that happened in the crypto market, but we got rejected off that level. We tried to go again in February 2020. We got rejected off that $100 region. We also even tried in August 2020 to no avail. We finally broke through by September 2020, and we saw Monero pump to the previous all-time high. We saw Monero go up more than 400%. So anytime Monero is above this level, there's some form of bullishness for Monero. We have seen Monero come back to this level in the bear market, and when it came back to that level, what happened? We caught a bounce. Monero went up 77%. So I won't be shocked to see Monero come back to test that same level in this bear market. I won't be shocked to see Monero come back to that $98 region. Another important level you want to pay attention to will be this level where we just got rejected for Monero right now, where we're currently trading around the $146 to $150 region. When Monero was pumping to new all-time highs in 2017, that's the first region we started seeing Monero having some problems. And then Monero pumped to new all-time highs, but when Monero went below that $146 region in May 2018, we couldn't see Monero go above that level till December 2020. Very, very pivotal. The whole bear market for Monero in 2018, 2019, entering part of 2020 was below this $150 region. That's why this is a very pivotal level. If Monero goes above it, Monero will get very, very bullish. A lot of people will shouting to the moon. But anytime we're getting below it, there's always fear. People are thinking the worst is going to happen. Now, guys, Monero can still dump further low in this bear market, but we're looking at the upside. We're looking at what will happen when the market starts pumping. The market won't continue being down 80-90% from the all-time high forever. At some point in time, greed will return to the crypto market. Another important level you want to watch out for Monero will be this $279, $280 region. When Monero was dumping to Goblin Town in 2018, after Monero got rejected of that $280 region in 2018, we couldn't see Monero trading above $280 till March 2021. And Monero just briefly went above that level. We saw Monero pump from March 2021 when it got to that $280. We saw it go straight to as high as $500. In barely 35 days, Monero went up 81%. After it went below that $280 region, we have been struggling. We tried to go above it in August 2021. Even in November 2021, when Bitcoin was pumping to higher prices, we saw Bitcoin trading around $69,000 here. Ethereum was going to $4,800. Monero couldn't pump to higher prices. We had one final try in 2022. We saw Monero get to as high as $280 by April 2022. But this was the best time to sell all your Monero, because after that, we saw Monero dump to Goblin Town, getting to as low as $98. So you want to pay attention to what Monero's price will be doing when we get to that $280 region. And if we can get above that region, then we'll be waiting for the final bosses of all resistance. This will be the $475 to $500 region. Monero has been stuck below this price since 2018 January. We tried to pass it in 2021 May. We just briefly went above it. We literally spent less than 2 days above $479. Since then, we have been trading below it. You want to pay close attention to what Monero's price will be doing around that $479 region. And before I show you how high Monero can go in the next bull run, let's take a look at some details about Monero. In the last 1 year, it has gone from as low as $97.23 to as high as $296. Currently trading for $147. Monero has a market cap of $2.6 billion. Currently, we have over 18.1 million Moneros in circulation. Currently ranked number 27 on CoinMarketCap. Over 313,000 people have Monero on their watch list. Now, what makes Monero unique? There are several things that makes Monero unique. One of the project's biggest aim is achieving the greatest level of decentralization possible, meaning that a user doesn't need to trust anyone else on the network. Privacy is achieved through a few distinct features, whereas each Bitcoin in circulation has its own serial number, meaning that cryptocurrency usage can be monitored. Monero is completely fungible. By default, details about senders, recipients, and amount of crypto being transferred are obscure, and Monero advocates say this offers an upper hand over rival privacy coins such as Zcash, which is selectively transparent. If you take a look at the Monero US dollar price chart and you ask yourself, how high can this altcoin now go in the next bull run? If we use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top that came in for Monero in December 2017 to the bottom that came in for it in March 2020, according to this Fibonacci retracement tool, we can see Monero's price getting to as high as $2,000 by the end of the next bull run. For where Monero is currently trading right now, we'll see Monero go up more than 1,000% to get to that $2,000 region. If you take a look at Monero's performance against Bitcoin over the years, guys, you'll notice that when the market is pumping, when the market is going to the moon, we see Monero outperforming Bitcoin. In 2014 December, we saw Monero outperform Bitcoin, finally topping by March 2018. But before then, Monero was up over 3,400% against Bitcoin. So from December 2014 till March 2018, if you had held Monero instead of Bitcoin, you would have outperformed Bitcoin by over 3,400%. But since March 2018, we have seen Monero steadily losing value against Bitcoin. It has lost more than 90% of its value against Bitcoin. It looks as if it bottomed by January 2021. So the whole bull run we had in 2021, Monero couldn't really outperform Bitcoin by a lot. It just went up over 153%. For Monero to set new all-time highs against Bitcoin from where we are currently trading, we have to see Monero outperform Bitcoin by more than 376%. For that to happen, the altcoin market has to be going to the moon. We have to see altcoins pumping to the moon. Everything is green only. All these altcoins that are down 80-90%, all of them are pumping and we're shouting up only. If those situations are met, if all those conditions are in place, I won't be shocked to see Monero get to as high as $2,000. It might even get higher than that. You don't know the craziness of what happens in the bull run. If you take a look at what Monero has been doing against Ethereum, it had its time in the sun against Ethereum from May 2016, where it outperformed Ethereum by over 2,900%. It finally found its top against Ethereum in December 2016. Since then, Monero has been losing value against Ethereum. From that December 2016, we have seen Monero lose more than 97% of its value against Ethereum. Finally finding its bottom by December 2021, we have seen Monero since then outperform Ethereum by more than 148%. But for Monero to set a new all-time high from where we are currently trading against Ethereum, Monero will have to outperform Ethereum by over 1,700%. If you take a look at Monero's market cap, it went to as high as $8.9 billion. It got to that $9 billion region in April 2021. It took out the 2017 all-time high where Monero's market cap went to as high as $7.5 billion. In that bull run, we saw Monero's market cap go from as low as $1.5 million in February 2015 to as high as $7 billion by January 2018. Even though Monero's market cap fell in the bear market of 2018 and 2019, the market cap went from as high as $7.7 billion to as low as $478 million. More than a 93.81% drop. It recovered all those losses and set new all-time highs in 2021. We saw Monero's market cap go up over 1,787% in 420 days. The bear market has been brutal to Monero. The market cap dropped more than 81%, but it's still performing well. How high can the market cap go in the next bull run? If we use the Fibonacci retracement tool for the Monero's market cap, according to this retracement tool, Monero's market cap can get to as high as $31 billion by the end of the next bull run. From where we're currently trading right now, Monero's market cap has to go up more than 1,000% for us to get to that $31 billion region. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be adding Monero to your moon bag? If you have some Monero, do you think the bottom is in for Monero in this bear market? Or will Monero still dump to Goblin Town? You're planning to add when we get to lower prices? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.